Okay, do you hear me?
Yes, I
Grand
do.
Haven traffic,
Okay.
Young Eagles Flight 9 Delta Lima, left downwind for 27, Grand Haven traffic.
Right now I'm controlling it with my feet, see that? So that's right,
Grand
and
Haven
that's
traffic,
left.
9 Delta Lima, turning.
And we're not doing anything with this right now until we
Grand
get into the air. Isn't that neat? These foot pedals, they control that front wheel. It's running perfectly, so I'm ready to fly. We'll give him some time to take off. We'll go ahead and go over there and line up. Now we'll turn our landing lights on, and we'll throw our nav lights on. So let's go over here, guys. Okay, now we're looking, there are no aircraft coming down, looking good, and it looks like he's gone and taken off. Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 20421 is going to line up on 27 and depart 27, Grand Haven. What we're going to do is we're going to put just 10 degrees of flaps for takeoff, so that'll help us. And we're going to line up here right in the center. We're going to use up as much runway as we can. Go on the center line. So this is runway 27. So it lines up with a magnetic heading of 270. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the brakes. I'm going to give it full power. And then I'm going to let off the brakes and we're going to start to go. Is everybody ready to fly? Thumbs up. Good to go? Okay. Go. There's full power and we're going to leave. And there's our rotation speed. We're off the ground, guys. Pretty cool, huh? That's 500 feet above the ground. That's the city of Grand Haven to our right. There's Lake Michigan. What do you guys think about that? Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, everything looks like it's a small
Yeah.
map.
Yeah, it's like you're playing on a video game or something and looking at a map, isn't it? Here's the Grand Haven High School off of our left. It's a little hazy today out. A little bit nicer with clear skies, but it's nice and smooth today, not very much wind.
Grand Haven area traffic, Warrior 43 Foxtrot, Young Eagle flight headed back north, 3 miles from the airport, Grand Haven.
And Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles flight 421 is still on the lakeshore, heading south.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles, 83 Golf. We are 7 miles to the east, inbound.
Guys having fun?
Yeah.
Try to fly a little bit, put your hands on there. It's real smooth control, see how light you are on it? If we want to go right, we turn right. If we want to go left, we turn left. Is that cool? Go up, you pull back on it. That's climbing. Push down to descend. Ooh, isn't that a fun feeling?
Young
You guys
Eagle
feel
flight
that?
43
Ooh.
Foxtrot entering
Feels so
downwind
weird to
to
go
runway
down.
27,
Yeah.
Grand Haven.
We'll stay level here, and I'll let you fly a little bit, so we'll just
Grand
kind of
Haven
follow
traffic,
along if you
Young
can see
Eagle,
there.
83 Golf. We
I'll
are
just
2
be light on the
miles to the
controls.
east, entering an upwind
Well, there's
for
the airport
27,
over there to our right.
Grand Haven.
We'll try to turn a little bit to the right and head towards the airport.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles flight, 73 Tango's departing 27, head to the lakeshore. Grand Haven.
And Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 421 is 2 miles to the south. We'll be joining left-hand downwind for 27, Grand Haven.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles 43 Foxtrot, base for runway 27, Grand Haven.
Okay, I'm going to take back control here, so you can let off. Yep. What we're going to do is we're going to enter this at like a 45-degree angle here. And I want to get parallel with this runway.
Young Eagles 83 Golf, turning midfield for 27, Grand Haven. Traffic, Young Eagles 43 Foxtrot, final runway 27, Grand Haven.
Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 421 is downwind of 27, left-hand Grand Haven. Oh, there's the runway right there.
Traffic. Young Eagles 83 Golf, we are number 2, Grand Haven.
Hey, Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 421 is turning left base for 27, Grand Haven. Now we're slowing down and getting ready to land. Another guy just touched down, so we'll have plenty of room.
Aircraft just landing and touching down at Grand Haven. You're Young Eagles, right? I want you to taxi all the way down to the northwest taxi lane and then come back in, heading to the east again, please.
Roger that, 43 Foxtrot.
Thank you.
And Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 421 is on final for runway 27, Grand Haven.
Grand Haven, Young Eagles 83 Golf, left base for 27, Grand Haven.
Here's our runway, and we're just going to do a nice descent down to it. Flaps are full, carpet is out. Air is always down in this aircraft. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go.
Grand Haven, Young Eagles 83 Golf, we are final for 27, Grand Haven.
And Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 421 is off the active for Young Eagles, Grand Haven. That's a camera. These airplanes, they don't have air conditioning. So this is the air conditioning because you have a propeller, so it's acting like a fan
Young
and blows the cool air in.
3 Tango's departing 27, Young Eagles, Grand Haven.
We're going to line up behind him. We're going to let him take off and have some plenty of room.
Young Eagles, 83 Golf, clear of 27, Grand Haven.
What you're hearing is the wind noise from my microphone.
1610, 5 miles northeast, 2,000 feet, landing Grand Haven.
And Grand Haven, Young Eagles flight, Skyhawk 421 will line up for 27 and we'll depart 27 for Grand Haven. So this is the runway, runway 27. You can see 7 there. We go right in the center. Everybody has their seatbelts on. Everybody's ready to go? Ready to go, buddy? Okay, I'm going to take off, and once we get level, I'll let you fly, and I'll tell you when, okay? Okay, here's full power. There we go. We're off.
And Grand Haven traffic, runway flow plane will be departing 27, be a left turn out southbound.
off the ground, guys. Wave at your mom. Or grandpa and grandma if it is.
Oh, I can.
Is that cool? Yeah, can you see now?
Oh. I can see the entire town from up here.
Yeah, that's the town of Grand Haven. What we're going to do is we're going to go down to the lakeshore up here. Okay, you want to fly a little bit? Put your hands on the yoke. That's very light movements. So, right to go right. So, left to go left. Down. Send. Ooh, doesn't that feel fun?
180 now,
pull
left
back up
downwind,
to
27
climb.
Grand Haven.
What we're going to do is we're going to sit nice and level right here.
180, is that you, Bruce?
Affirmative. How you doing, Ben?
You're flying all by yourself. Isn't that cool? You're a pilot. Now we're going to make a slight turn to the left.
Grand Haven traffic, 180 clear 27, Grand Haven.
Our navigation unit. All touch screen. That's the route back to the airport.
Bruce, just go beyond this arrow that's on the left-hand side of the taxi lane, and we're going to back you in, go down to the north, and we'll back you in between the Aero Commander and the white Super Cub.
Where do you want me to shut it off?
You can just shut off once you get in there. There's line people there to help you.
Okay, Ben, I see a guy with his hand raised, so I guess he wants me way down there.
You got it.
We'll aim right back for the airport, so it's right there at our 12 o'clock.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles 43 Foxtrot, turning south along the lakeshore, Grand Haven.
Young Eagles, Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 421 is following US 31, 3 miles to the south of Grand Haven. This is the Grand River, guys. All the way into Grand Haven and out the channel. This is the airport. We're going to enter what's called a downwind, and we do that at a 45-degree angle and become parallel with that runway. Young Eagles, Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 421 is joining downwind, left hand for 27, Grand Haven. I have to tell all these pilots where my location is so everybody knows where we're at.
That's a lot of trees.
Yeah, it is. Well, slow down here and get ready to land. Okay, you can let out the controls. There we go, thank you very much. Good job piloting. Grand Haven, traffic Skyhawk 421 is turning left base for 27, Grand Haven. This is the fun part here. Yep, can you see the airport? Yep, we're going to land right there on 27. And Young Eagles, Grand Haven traffic, Skyhawk 421 is on final for 27, Grand Haven.
Grand Haven traffic, Cessna 58 Foxtrot Alpha is about 6 miles to the northeast, inbound for 27, Grand Haven.
Okay, here we go, guys.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagle 73 Tango, centering left downwind for 27, Grand Haven.
There we go. Yeah, 421 is off the active.
Are you Young Eagles?
Young Eagles, affirmative.
Okay, thank you.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagle 73 Tangos, left downwind 27, Grand Haven.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles, 83 Golf. We are 1 mile to the east, inbound, Grand Haven.
You can see little stripes in the water.
Yeah, that's all the waves.
Yeah, and I think it's like the, like it's like,
no, like colored stripes, like a rainbow type
Oh
thing.
yeah, so what you're seeing is the different depths of the ground there.
Yeah, it goes deep and then up.
That's cool.
Yep, that's definitely what you're seeing.
Grand Haven traffic, Skylane 109 Delta Lima is 3 miles to the south. We're going to overfly the Grand Haven High
There's a tennis court there.
Enter left end wind for 27, Grand Haven traffic.
Oh, we got a pool.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I think I know where that is. Yep.
We're going to start to turn left here. So this is called the Port Sheldon Power Plant.
Yep. Are you from Canada?
Grand Haven
Nope,
traffic,
I'm from
Young Eagles
Michigan.
flight 109
You are?
south.
Yep.
So Lima
That's cool.
is turning left downwind for
Oh, look
27,
at that
has two
house.
shoots in
And
sight.
then they have like a
Grand
pond.
Haven traffic.
Pretty
Why
cool.
did you become a pilot?
Really, my dad was a
Grand
pilot,
Haven
kind of like
traffic,
your
Young
dad.
Eagles 43 Foxtrot.
Yeah.
And we used to fly as a kid.
Just north of the power
And he'd
plant,
take us to
coming up
Florida
31.
on vacation and stuff
Inbound
like that.
landing
So I
runway
really
27,
always just loved it.
So you became a pilot?
So I became a pilot, and now I'm working for my commercial license. I'm building hours to my commercial license. I'm about halfway there right now.
Like my dad has.
Like your dad has, exactly. Yeah, I'd love to have a job like your dad. That'd be perfect.
It took him a long time to get into Delta.
Yep, they're really good jobs, yeah. Yeah, Delta's a very nice airline.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles, 83 Golf. We are turning left downwind for 27. We're number 2.
A lot of traffic out here, so we're just going to keep an eye out the window. If you guys see somebody, let me know.
Jump 1 is over the high school at 3,200, descending. Going to turn a left downwind, 45 with the left downwind for 27, Grand Haven.
Grand Haven traffic, 9 Delta Lima, turning final 27, Grand Haven traffic.
Where are you guys from?
Michigan.
Michigan, yeah? Are you from around here too?
Yeah, Grand
The
Haven.
area, Grand Haven, yeah. See, I live in Muskegon, so I'm not too far away, a little bit further north.
I live in Muskegon as well.
You do? Okay, cool. See, all these controls are real light, so if we want to go right, that's how we turn right.
Oh.
Go left, do it this way.
Grand
Oh,
Haven
real
traffic,
light
Young
controls.
Eagles, 83 Golf, turning left.
Go
base,
down, you push
27,
down.
Grand Haven.
Ooh, that was fun, huh?
For joining us today. Have a safe flight back.
Pull up to climb.
Thanks, I hope we don't go over
Pretty
growth
cool,
on
huh?
those pancakes.
We're about to land here. Here's the airport off to our left.
Airport's right there.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles, 83 Golf, final for 27, Grand Haven.
The Lake Amphibious and face the east if you like.
I think Grand Rapids like way over there.
Yep.
The what?
Grand Rapids. We all above.
No, you're not able to see Grand Rapids.
Yeah, but it's over there.
Hold on, guys.
It's past where you can see.
Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do a 360 here. I got traffic on my left.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh, I see him.
Oh.
Traffic in sight.
Young Eagles 43 Foxtrot, turning downwind, runway 27, Grand Haven.
How much gas does this airplane hold?
Oh, hold on, guys. Young Eagles, Grand Haven traffic. Skyhawk 421 is left base for 27, Grand Haven.
Grand Haven traffic, jump 1 base to final 27, Grand Haven.
There you go.
Ethan, I'm just to the west off your wing here.
Roger, got 2 planes on final in sight, and I'm left base for 421.
Grand Haven traffic, Twin Comanche 206 Romeo Golf is holding short 27 for all traffic.
Oh, look at that tiny boat.
I have you. We're going to
Look at that tiny boat.
and head back.
Tiny
That's
boat.
not tiny.
Stay south.
Oh, they're actually pretty big boats.
Roger.
But it looks tiny from up here.
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagles 43 Foxtrot, turning base, runway 27, traffic in sight. Grand
Now we're
Haven.
on final here, guys.
All Young Eagle flights plan on coming back here immediately. Grand Haven.
Yeah, so they got thunderstorms in the vicinity, so that's why we're coming in.
Oh. That's cool.
Young Eagles, Grand Haven flight 421 is on final for 27, 421.
Like, kind of like I don't know, but like.
So this is the last flight?
Probably, yeah.
Young Eagle,
When you look this way, it looks like you're on an
final
island.
runway
Yeah.
27.
So we're looking right down at the end of that runway.
Golf, clear
Full
280,
flaps, mixture
27,
full
Grand
rich.
Haven.
Gear stays down in this aircraft.
83 Golf, we need you to park on the tarmac over here on the north side.
Won't the gear rip off or something?
What's that?
Wouldn't the gear rip off at 12,000 feet?
Traffic, jump on.
Up high, yeah, if you're going fast, so you can only, with the other airplanes, you can only put the gear down when you're going slow.
Grand Haven traffic,
a little
Young
turbulence
Eagle
there.
73 Tango is entering left
Hey,
base.
hold on.
Yeah,
Gosh.
there we go. We're okay,
Bail
boys.
it out. And
We're getting a little wind here now because that storm's coming in.
touchdown.
Well, there we go, a little bounce.
Touchdown, Ian.
There we go, guys. That was it. Flaps can go up.
Thanks for helping us.
No problem.
Thank you.
You can see it's windy now.
Yeah. That's fun.
And Young Eagles 421 is off the active.
Best part about it is the talking microphones.
Young Eagle Cessna, you ought to, that might be difficult, like they put it here facing into the wind.
Do you think, are they going to like
Grand Haven
keep doing
traffic,
it
Young
because of the
Eagle
wind or not?
73 Tango,
Yep, we're gonna do this way.
final 27, Grand
Grand Haven traffic, Young Eagle 43 Foxtrot off the active.
Mail Golf holding on 27 for Young Eagles on final.
Wow, it is windy.
Okay, yeah, it got real windy real quick.